Hey everyone, Jake here for American Muscle, and it's a good day here because in this video we get to talk about tires, specifically the Mickey Thompson Street Comp. Now Mickey Thompson is one of the longest running names in the muscle car world, and their competition tires and drag radials have been a crowd favorite for a long time. Now with the Street Comp, you get some of that drag racing expertise on your street-driven muscle car. This is one of our favorite tires here at American Muscle too because it's a great performance bargain. You get a solid tire with really stellar performance for an affordable price. Now sizing for the Street Comp runs from 245 up to 305 millimeter in section width and ranges from 17 inch to 20 inches in diameter. So no matter what wheel you're running, there should be a size to fit. If you say the name Mickey Thompson to a car enthusiast, chances are good that they're going to be able to conjure up a similar type of image. Probably some funny car lifting the front wheels off the ground and absolutely ripping down the drag strip. And while your Charger at home may not be able to do exactly that, throwing a set of Mickey Thompson Street Comp tires like the one we have here will certainly get you some more performance. Now this is an ultra high performance summer tire that is designed specifically for street use. And contrary to their drag racing heritage, these are actually designed to carve corners too. You get sturdy sidewalls here to help reduce deflection. Now that makes for better steering response and increased grip in the corners. Now this compound is going to be a little bit softer than your standard all-season tire as well, so these will heat up a bit faster, which means they're going to have a good amount of stick when you do encounter a quarter. The asymmetric tread pattern with the wide outer tread blocks will also help keep your car planted even in the tightest of corners. This is a sticky tire for sure, and the UTQG ratings show it. 300 tread wear, AA traction, and A temperature ratings all point to this being a performance-oriented summer compound. So if you're looking for a tire to run in all 4 seasons, especially if you live somewhere like we do here in the Northeast, this is not going to be the right choice. However, this is a great choice for a summer tire. And that tread wear rating is pretty high for a summer tire as well, so you can expect this one to wear pretty well and have a good lifespan. But just because it can't do snow doesn't mean weather will stop it. Now the Street Comp also features these huge circumferential grooves around the whole tread area. You've got 5 here to be exact, with these 2 wide ones right here around the thick central ribs. Now the tread blocks also feature different sizes and shapes of grooves in them to help move water out from the contact patch and keep your car planted on the road. So the Street Comp will perform well in both wet and dry conditions. Now keep in mind folks that this is not a competition spec tire or a drag radial. This is a street tire that can hang with some more serious stuff, but it's still a street tire at the end of the day. Now this is going to be a great option for a daily driven car or one that needs to perform but also sees a lot of highway miles. Pricing for the Street Comp is, of course, size dependent, but these can run you anywhere from about $200 up to $400 per tire, which is a lot less than some of the other performance-oriented options out there, making it a really good bargain. Now, tires and wheels are quite easy to mount, and if you've done any work on your own car before, chances are pretty good that you pop the wheels off to do something. Of course, you'll need your floor jack, the proper socket set to pull the lug nuts off, and something to do that with, be it a large ratchet, some kind of breaker bar, or an impact gun. But what isn't easy is mounting and balancing the tire properly on the rim. That's not something that pretty much anyone is going to be able to do at home unless you've got the proper equipment. But great news there, we will do that for you for free if you decide to go with a wheel and tire package from our site. We'll do the hard work for you, and all you gotta do is bolt on your shiny new wheels and tires. We even have the TPMS sensors you'll need, so if you really want to transform the look and handling of your ride, we can make it easy for you. All I have to say, if you want great performance from a storied brand at a really good price, look no further than the Mickey Thompson Street Comp. That's gonna wrap it up here for our review, so thanks for watching, and as always, for all things Charger, be sure to stick with us right here at AmericanMuscle.com.